Hello, first graders. Happy Wednesday. This is Miss Graham and Miss Cisco here, and today we have another math lesson for you.
All right, boys and girls, our learning goal for today is I can find, name, and describe the attributes of different three-dimensional shapes.
So first, let's warm up our brains. So, all about 3D shapes. What is the name of this shape? It is red. What do you think? A sphere, a cone, or a cylinder?
I think it's a sphere, Miss Graham, because it's almost like a ball, and balls are spheres.
Yes, that would be correct. Great job. Ooh, what do you think this is? It looks like a box to me. So what kind of shape is it? She said cube, you'd be right. Let's count the faces on this. So let's start in the back. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and one on the bottom, 6 faces. All right, and how many edges do you see? This one's tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Wait.
10, 11, 12. 12 edges.
Ooh, that's a lot of edges.
That is. And how many vertices do you see? Remember, vertices are like corners. How many corners do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 vertices. Let's check our work. Great job. All right, so what is the name of this shape? A sphere, a triangular prism, or a cube? Let me give you a hint. When you see this shape, you should see something on the edge, on the front, like a face. What is that shape you see? It'll give you a hint.
I think this face looks like a triangle. And
You're right. So which one has triangle in the word?
Ooh, triangular prism.
Great job. All right, last one. Look at this shape. It looks like a sphere. It's like a ball. So can the sphere roll? Yes or no?
I'm going to say yes.
Yeah, it can roll just like a ball can. Can it slide?
No.
It cannot slide because remember, for a shape to slide, it has to have a flat face. And spheres do not have a face on them. And can it stack? Meaning, can you put another sphere on top of it without it falling off?
And no, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work because they need another flat face as well. Check. Awesome work.
All right, boys and girls, we are going to go to a Zearn lesson now. You might see something similar to this later on. So in this picture, I want you to look at all the shapes at the bottom of the page, okay? And you're going to try to figure out where these shapes go in this chart. So the first one says cubes, the second one says spheres, third one says cones, fourth one says rectangular prism, and fifth one says cylinders. All right, so this first one here, the cubes. Let's look for cubes in these pictures. So remember, a cube is like a square in that its faces are squares, and we know that cubes can slide and you can stack things on cubes. Can you stack any of these, and do any of them have squares? Squares for faces?
I
I'm
see a dice.
a dice. Exactly, Miss Graham. Yes, a dice is a cube. Remember, whoops, there it goes. Cubes, all the sides are squares. All the sides are squares. Okay, the next one is spheres. Spheres. Boys and girls, you should remember what a sphere is from all of our planets stories. So a sphere is like a ball. It looks like a ball. It's basically a 3D circle. Do you see any 3D circles down here?
I see a sphere that we talked about a lot this year, Mrs. Sco, the Earth.
The Earth. Yes, we talked about that a lot. That's true.
I see one more.
You see one more?
Ball.
The
Yeah, the
tennis
tennis
ball.
ball.
Perfect. Okay, now let's go on to cones. So boys and girls, remember a cone, it starts off with a circular bottom and then it goes to a point at the top. Think about what an ice cream cone looks like. Do any of these look like an ice cream cone?
Oh, I see a red party hat.
Oh, yes, Miss Graham. That's perfect. Okay, rectangular prisms. So if you watched our video Monday, you know exactly what a rectangular prism is. If you didn't, I just want to give you a hint. Rectangular prism. So you're going to look for something that looks like a rectangle, but it's a 3D shape. Which one of these is a rectangular prism?
The blue box looks like a rectangle or has rectangles all around it. So I guess that's a rectangular prism.
That is correct, Miss Graham. Perfect. Okay, last one, cylinders. We are looking for something that will roll and that has two faces that are circles. So it looks like we got a soup can, and I'm not sure what this is exactly, but it's in the shape of like a toilet paper roll. And are toilet paper rolls cylinders?
Yeah, they are.
They are. Let's see if it fits. What about this soup can, Miss Graham?
Yeah, I think it is a cylinder because it has two faces that are flat on the top and the bottom.
All right. Let's check our work. Excellent job. Perfect.
All right, so great job working through those problems with us. And we want you to pause on the next slide for your homework. So if you look here, this is the work that we'd like for you to do. We know you don't have the paper in front of you, but just try your best. Maybe draw a picture of each of the shapes and match the word to it. If you look on number 2, that looks exactly like what we just practiced. All you're going to do is write the word in each box. So work on that. Send us a picture if you need help or you are confused. We'd love to help.
All right, boys and girls, yes, like Miss Graham said, let us know if you need help. Have your parent or family member call Miss Graham or I with any questions for your work this week.
Our learning goal this week was I can find, name, and describe the attributes of different three-dimensional shapes. And with all of our work that we have done this week, you should be able to do that. So great work.
All right, boys and girls, so on Friday, we want you to complete a lesson in Zearn. Miss Graham and I have assigned you a new lesson to complete. Let us know if you need any help or login information. It has everything to do with 3D shapes.
And we've noticed some of y'all have already started working on Zearn, and we appreciate that. And we are so proud of you for keeping up with your work. We hope you have a wonderful rest of the week and an awesome weekend.
See you Monday.